It says here, y is directly proportional to x squared. Given when x is 6, y is 72. Find A formula for y in terms of x. B, y when x is 3. X when y is equal to 162. So we've got y is proportional to x squared. That's what it says, directly proportional. Okay, so that means that y must be equal to some number, which we call a constant, times x squared. So first step is y. This symbol here means proportional to x squared. And then we got y. Well, that means that y must be equal to some number times x squared. This is called the topic of variation. Now, normally you're given something about x and y in order to find k. And this is the information here. So when x is equal to 6, y is 72. So in our formula, we will put y equal to 72. We'll still have the k, but we have to do 6. But you have to remember it's proportional to x squared, so we need to square the 6. So that means that 72 is 6 squared, which is 36 times k. And k, dividing both sides by 36, k will be equal to 2. Then we go back to this and write down our formula, but this time with my value of k in it. So y is equal to 2x squared. So that's part A. We have found a formula for y in terms of x. Okay, for part B, when x is equal to 3, so we now take our formula, y was equal to 2x squared, and put x is equal to 3. But we must remember to square this here, because the formula says we have to square it. So y is equal to 2 times 3 squared. That means that y is 2 times 9, which is equal to 18. In order to do part C, when y is 162, y will be equal to 2x squared. What we do, we put 162 instead of y. That's going to be equal to 2x squared. Obviously, we would now have to divide both sides by 2 to get x squared. So x squared will be equal to 81. And then in order to find x, we would have to take the square root on both sides. So we can either say that x is equal to 9. Now, we wasn't told that x was positive, so we could have actually also written down minus 9 or both terms. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use direct variation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.